everyone's in the mood for love. Transit. I am in transit, traveling the earth, heaven, and hell of your mind's eye, carrying in my womb your long English lines that walk and run and drive and breathe with me. Words in your garden, your forbidden tree. See, I am fascinated, picking and biting your unsaid poetry that manifests itself in social interaction. I can get no satisfaction wanting more of you every single day. In my hand is a ticket enough for a trip to go all the way to blissful eternity, forget everything else but my memory that resides in the cigarette smoke that surrounds you. The wind of your eyes has given me full view. It doesn't matter that my lungs are weak. I can only let my heart beat. Thank you.